Hello students, we are going to start our new exercise 5b. In this exercise also we are going to use our factorization method. But in this exercise you have to make some more adjustments while solving questions. So understand it carefully. This is question number 2 here. X raised to 4 minus 25 x square plus 144 is equal to 0. Now I am making adjustment here. X square that is x raised to 4 minus 25 x square plus 144 is equal to 0. Why I am doing so? Because I want my standard form of quadratic equation. So now taking x square is equal to y. X square I am replacing as y. So it become y square minus 25y plus 144 is equal to 0. Now taking factors of 144, that is 16 nines are, I want minus 25 as middle term. So I am placing it y square minus 16y minus 9y plus 144 is equal to 0. Now from first two terms y is common. So in the bracket y minus 16. From other two terms minus 9 common, y minus 16 is equal to 0. So here I get two brackets y minus 16, y minus 9 is equal to 0. Y minus 16 is equal to 0 or y minus 9 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 16, y is equal to 9. Now again replacing the value, what we have taken is y, x square. So I am placing here x square is equal to 16, x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to, taking square root now both the side, x is equal to plus or minus 4, x is equal to plus or minus 3. Here we get 4 roots, plus 4 minus 4 plus 3 minus 3. You can see the power of the equation is 4. It means here we get 4 roots. Okay, now move on to next question 3. Here in this question, x square plus x whole square minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here let the bracket, that is x square plus x is equal to y. So it become y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So I get this equation of my standard form. Now taking factors of 2 to get minus 1, y square minus 2y plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. From first two terms y common. So in the bracket y minus 2, nothing is common, plus 1 common, y minus 2 is equal to 0. So I have two brackets y plus 1, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y plus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. Now replacing my value, y is x square plus x. Here also y value x square plus x, and I took this 2 on left side, become minus 2 is equal to 0. Here by taking this minus 1 on left side, get plus 1 is equal to 0. But you can see there is no factorization possible in this polynomial. So I wrote here factors not possible. But here we have possibility of factors. You can see this is 2. So I get 1 here. 2 ones are 2 is possible. So I write here x square plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. From first two terms x common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now another brackets I get x minus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So separating x minus 1 0, x plus 2 0, I get two roots, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 2. Students, here the polynomial's power is 2. So here I have two roots, x1 and x minus 2. Now move on to next question 5. This is my next question 5. 4 7x minus 1 upon x whole square minus 8 7x minus 1 upon x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now I let this bracket as y. So replacing the bracket as y, 4y square minus 8y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is our standard form. So now taking factors, the coefficient of y square is 4 and this constant term is 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 factors we will use to get middle term minus 8. And the factors of 12 are 6 2s are. So I am replacing it here. 4y square minus 6y minus 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. From first two terms 2y common. In the bracket 2y minus 3. Nothing is common. Minus 1 common. 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2y minus 1, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. I get y is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 3 by 2. Replacing value of y. Value of y is 7x minus 1 upon x. That we are replacing here both the way. And then taking cross multiplication. So I get linear equation 14x minus 2 is equal to x. And here 14x minus 2 is equal to 3x. Now by solving the linear equations, I get 13x is equal to 2 and 11x is equal to 2. So I get value x is equal to 2 by 13 or x is equal to 2 by 11. We get these two separate roots here. Now this is our square here. It means we get two roots and the answer 2 by 13 and 2 by 11. Now move on to next question 7. Here you see 16 into 4 power x plus 2 minus 16 into 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we have to make some adjustment. Instead of this 4, I place here 2 square. 16 into 2 square x plus 2 minus 16 into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here again opening the bracket 2x plus 4 and then the other terms are as it is. Next step, I split this. I am taking this x inside and 2 outside into 2 raised to 4. Why we can do so? You know the exponential rules in which when multiplication is there we can add the powers, and in converse part if there is a plus sign in the power you can split them as multiplication. So here what I did in the middle term also 16 then 2 raised to x into 2 because that is 1, that 1 power plus 1 is equal to 0. So now this 2 raised to 4 is 16. So 16s are 256. This 2 raised to x square as it is minus 16 2s are 32. 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let 2 raised to x y. So here the equation will be 256 y square minus 32 y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is our standard form of quadratic equation. Now I will take factorization 256 and here is 1. So 256 factors are 16s are. To get my middle term minus 32, I place it here 256y square minus 16y plus 1 is equal to 0. From first two terms 16y common, 16y minus 1, nothing common, minus 1, 16y minus 1 is equal to 0. So I get two brackets 16y minus 1, 16y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 16y minus 1 is equal to 0 2 times and y is equal to 1 by 16. But this is not our answer, as you see y is placed here as 2 raised to x. So now we replace our value of y as here 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by 16 and 2 raised to x is equal to 1 by 16. What is the value of 16 as power of 2? So that 2 raised to 4 placing here, and then taking it reciprocal means we want it in the numerator, we write as power minus 4. So 2 raised to x is equal to 2 raised to minus 4. Now just our powers comparison, as the base are same, we compare the powers as x is equal to minus 4. Here also the same. So I get 2 roots minus 4 minus 4. Now move on to next question 9. This is 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1 minus 4 x minus 1 upon 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now let this bracket is y. So y minus 4, this is the reciprocal of this. So I take y also in reciprocal as 1 by y here. So that is 4 by y is equal to 3. Now you see we want to make this linear. So I take the LCM here. So LCM by taking I get y square minus 4 is equal to 3y. Now y square, this 3y taking on left, minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y square, now factors of 4, 4 1 ja 4. So to get minus 3 minus 4y plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now from first two terms I take y common. So in the bracket y minus 4, another two terms nothing common, plus 1 y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y plus 1 y minus 4 is equal to 0. I get two separate answers. Y plus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 4. Now placing the value of y there, our value of y is 2x minus 3 upon x minus 1, that I am placing here, and here also. Then we just cross multiplication to get it in a linear form. So I get here by taking linear simplification, I get 3x is equal to 4 and 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 4 by 3, x is equal to 1 by 2. Now move on to next question 10. Here the question is x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 x minus 1 by x. Now students, here we take something as placing the value will not be possible to get our standard form. So we have to make some more adjustments. So what I am taking? I am taking this bracket is equal to y and take square on both the sides of this. Then squaring this I get x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square is equal to y square. This is a minus b whole square type of expansion. Now to get x square plus 1 by x square, this minus 2 I am taking on right side as plus 2. So this is one value I found, x square plus 1 by x square. Now this bracket x plus 1 by x whole square, just I take its expansion. So now placing this together and plus 2 here. Now already this value we have found here, x square plus 1 by x square, that I will replace here y square plus 2, you see here, and this plus 2 as it is. So I get value of x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square plus 4. So after getting these two values, I can again place the values as this x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square plus 4. So I place instead of this y square plus 4 is equal to, on the right side there is 4, so here also 4 plus 3 by 2, then x minus 1 by x, that is value y. So 4 plus 3 by 2 y. Now 4 from both the side get cancelled, and this 3 by 2 y taking on left side become minus 3 by 2 y is equal to 0. Now taking LCM, 2y square minus 3y is equal to 0. Taking y common, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now y value, again replacing x minus 1 by x 0 and y is equal to 3 by 2, also placing the value y here. Taking LCM again, x square minus 1 upon x is equal to 0. So x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 1, and taking square root, x is equal to plus or minus 1. Here we have to take LCM to make it linear first, and then after we get it linear form, we have to factorize it again to get our answer. Then you can see 2x square minus 4x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x common, x minus 2 plus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 1, 1 bracket, x minus 2, 1 bracket is equal to 0. So here I get x value minus 1 by 2 and x is equal to 2. So again I get here 4 answers, plus or minus 1, minus 1 by 2 and 2. Thank you.